Hello everyone, I wanted to shoot a quick video to show you a project that even if you're not very handy as a DIY landlord, it's one that you can easily do by yourself. Worst case, you can get a handyman to do this, but definitely don't need to call a plumber in to do a job this simple, and that's change the toilet seat. So when you're buying a toilet seat, there's really only two real options. Now there's different types with each option, but there's really only round and elongated. Obviously, this toilet is not the right one or this seat is not the right one for this toilet. This is a round lid. What you would need for this is the elongated option. I don't spend a lot of money on these. I just try to get the basic plastic ones. Definitely don't want to go with wood or the padded ones or anything like that for a rental. And to change these, it's really simple. There's caps here, just pop off. And then there's a screw here and the nuts on the other side. So literally all you have to do is unscrew this. All right, so now I've got the old one off here. So for the new one, to put the new one on, you just pop these. Oh, sometimes they're difficult. You may need to use a screwdriver. All right, that came loose. And you put this in each of these holes. This will wash them. Line it up, drop the bolt in here, each side, and then there's a nut for the bottom side. I like to just hold the nut in place, take a screwdriver, screw it in. Or you can use a cordless reel too if you want to go a little bit faster, if you have one handy. Alright, same thing on the other side. Tighten it up, make sure it's lined up. Put the caps back on, that's it. It's done. It's that simple. 5-minute fix. Saves you a service call from a plumber or handyman if you can do it yourself. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.